Hi friends, Happy New Year's, and today is about 15 degrees outside and I needed something to warm up my belly, so I'm making my arroz con leche rice pudding for you. I will provide the recipe down below. It's super easy and very inexpensive. I made mine plant-based along with my organic cashew milk that I have a separate video which I will also provide down below for you. I feel like in my opinion this makes the recipe really creamy and super delicious. I love growing my own limes, so here's a lime that I used for this recipe. Make sure you rinse your rice about 3 to 5 times until the water comes out clear. This took about like 6 times for me. I don't know, maybe this bundle of rice I got was just really dirty. To your pot of water, you're going to add your salt, cinnamon, and the lime peels. You're going to let this boil just a little bit, then you're going to cover it up until the water has soaked up the cinnamon and it has a really nice smell to it. Your house is going to smell amazing. To this, you're going to add your washed rice. Give that a good mix, and you're going to want to cook this for about 10 minutes on low heat, and make sure you do cover this up so the water doesn't evaporate too fast. In a separate pot on low heat, you're going to add your evaporated milk, your sweetened condensed milk. This is the one I got from Azure Standard. I really love it in this recipe and for any recipes that have warm liquids, but nothing that is too cold like my iced coffee, because I feel like it curdles up a little. Well, it creates like little chunks, but you do have to mix this around to get more of a smoother consistency. Next up, you're going to be adding 3 cups of milk. I used my cashew milk, and I just feel like it just really makes this recipe so creamy and so delicious. Even when you reheat the rice pudding the next day, add a little bit extra cashew milk and it just tastes so much better. Once everything is well incorporated, add your vanilla extract. For me, I just eyeball it. Once your rice is done cooking, give it a good mix, and you're going to want to add your cream mixture to the rice. You're going to give this a good mix, making sure everything is well incorporated, and you're going to cook this on low heat for about 5 to 8 minutes. After, you're going to want to remove the cinnamon and the lime peels that are inside. Now it's time to add the raisins. Mix it all up and you're basically done. I just let this sit in the stove. I turned the heat off for about 2 to 3 minutes, got my bowls ready, and my arroz con leche was all done. This is such a big comfort food for me during the winter. I make it about every week, every other week, because there's nothing like having rice pudding while you're watching something on TV in your bowl. It's so cozy, so warm, and it's so chilly outside. You can pretty much hear the wind whistling. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Bye!